Welcome to the 3C Referrals video demonstration. This application is one of 5 applications within the 3C Care Coordination platform. 3C is a point-of-care application for use by all members of the care team, including providers, nurses, specialists, and referral coordinators. 3C supports both mobile and web-based user experiences. In this demonstration, I will be playing the role of a referral coordinator using our web-based version via a desktop computer. Now, after logging in, the referral coordinator is presented with the 3C Referrals dashboard. Now, this includes a list of all active referrals and their current status, the 6 stages of the referral, and the search feature to the top of the screen. With the incoming and outgoing button, the coordinator can see the list of both referrals that your organization is sending out and the ones you are receiving. Now, if you notice to the left of the dashboard, 3C breaks down the referral process into 6 stages. Stage 1 is validation. Once a referral is requested, 3C identifies the referral and begins to search the patient's record for the proper documentation to move the referral to the next stage. If 3C is unable to locate the information needed to continue processing the referral, it will notify the referral coordinator with the specific piece of information needed, and then the coordinator can begin to investigate by manually checking the EHR or communicating with the referring provider. Stage 2 is eligibility. Once all the documentation is gathered, 3C will then initiate what is called an EDI 270 and 271 transaction, which is an automatic electronic eligibility check with the payer. Coordinators no longer need to log in and out of multiple portals, making mistakes and exposing more patient information along the way. This seamless direct connection significantly reduces human errors and keeps patient data safe and secure. The third is prior authorization. Once the patient insurance is confirmed, 3C packages all the data together and electronically submits it to the payer for prior authorization through another EDI transaction called an EDI 278. Like eligibility, coordinators will no longer need to log in and out of multiple portals, making mistakes and exposing more patient information. If authorization is denied, the coordinator will be notified with a specific reason for the denial so they can investigate. The fourth is provider selection. Once authorization is approved, 3C's True Match feature will prompt the coordinator with the top 3 choices of specialists to choose for the patient. This list is based on the specialists in the patient's network, the proximity to the patient's home, and 3C's provider ranking from patient experiences, ensuring that every patient has the same great experience and care. For an even more seamless experience, 3C has the ability to choose the most appropriate specialist for the patient automatically, using the same criteria. Once a specialist is selected, the medical records along with a copy of the prior authorization are all combined together and sent to the specialist through the 3C Fire app. Fifth is appointments. Once a specialist is selected, and for a better patient experience, patients can use the 3C app to schedule, reschedule, and cancel appointments. We accomplish this by integrating directly with both the PCP and specialist EHR and EMR calendar systems. 3C will track all attempts to connect with the patient and alert the coordinator if a significant time has passed without an appointment being scheduled. This keeps both the specialist and referral coordinator accountable to make sure the patient's care doesn't lose momentum. Patients won't need to be burdened by calling and waiting on hold to schedule an appointment. The 6th and final stage is medical records. Once the appointment is set, 3C will set various follow-up dates in place to notify the referral coordinator and the specialist if results have not been received within a specific time frame following the patient's visit. 3C will process the results based on how they have been delivered. For example, if the results have been delivered via eFax, the coordinator will need to open the eFax link within the 3C platform, identify the patient it's intended for, and forward the results to the patient's chart inside the EHR. If the specialist has implemented the 3C platform within their software, then the results will be directly placed back inside the patient's chart without any manual work from the coordinator. 3C will just inform the coordinator that the results have been received and the referral will be closed. Bypassing faxing keeps patient data protected and secure in transition. Now, if we look back at the dashboard here and focus on the list of active referrals, the top row of text fields allows the coordinator to quickly search for a patient through many options, including the referral ID number, first or last name, the patient's social, date of birth, or even the provider, whether it be PCP or specialist. You can see that the list of referrals can be filtered by many different options. The referral number, the date and referral was created, the patient's name with the proper pronoun to make sure we are sympathetic to our transgender patients, both the referring provider and the chosen specialist, the current status of the referral, and the call to action button to either try and resolve the issue or clear it. Now, these call to action blue buttons, when pressed, prompt the coordinator with a specific problem that needs to be addressed in order to complete the referral. Whether it be patient information missing or an incorrect ICD-10 code, 3C provides the coordinator with the problem and the opportunity to solve it all in one window. Our goal in designing the referral dashboard was to condense as much of the workflow onto one screen to make it much easier for the coordinator. As you can see, when I click on the patient's name, the active list of referrals condenses and two side windows open. One with the patient information and the other is the patient's journey of the most current referral in process. This allows coordinators to stay in control at all times. And lastly, with the analytics feature, we see that 3C provides intelligent analytics in real time that are in various formats that display an array of data. 3C provides admin staff with a genetic layout of analytics, including total referrals, current referral status, average referral time, referral source, referral by insurance, referral by reason. Now, this is a very basic generic template that is given to all organizations in the beginning of using the 3C platform, but by using the filters on the left side, the coordinators and administrators can refine their searches more specifically and to a specific time frame. Organizations have the ability to create layouts that best fit their needs. If you can think of a report, 3C can build it. This concludes the 3C Referrals video demonstration. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see how you can begin to optimize your referral workflow, visit our website at www.my3c.io. Thank you.